AEVEX Aerospace, Advanced Loitering Munitions. Introducing the Disruptor. Precision, autonomy, lethality. Optimized for intelligence, surveillance, and target engagement. Rapid deployment, ready in minutes. Extended loitering for persistent overwatch. Advanced optics and AI-driven targeting. All-weather, day and night performance. Precision strike capability. Autonomous or operator-guided engagement. Maximum impact, minimal collateral damage. Combat-proven, with real-world experience operating in GPS-contested environments. AEVEX Aerospace, engineering the future of defense.